Hi, I'm Smayo, and I think videos about make fun of videos.
Guys, first of all, you open your CapCut. Now open my CapCut, my video, let me go back for the sake of people that are just using CapCut for the first time. New project, you open new project. CapCut has a lot of features for me to choose from, which I feel like a lot of people can actually play around it. So new project, select the clip that you want to use. I've already selected the clip I want to use, then this is the clip I want to use.
I'm Smayo, and I think videos about make fun of videos.
If I want to use, I would put it to the part where I see that I want to actually cut. Imagine, let's say for instance, I don't want this part again. Like I don't like what I was saying there, or I feel like what I'm saying there is irrelevant to the video. Then I will just split. After splitting, then I'll come forward, split again to the part I don't want. If you actually want, if it's a full length video and you actually want the part, you split to the side that you don't want. Then after splitting, I'm going to come and click on the clip. Then I'm going to press delete. Then that's all. I have already cut that particular part. Then I'll try that for other places too that I don't like. Then if you feel that you actually don't want to cut that part and you want to actually undo anything that you've done in CapCut, even in any app at all that actually happened, it's so popular, or most editing app actually have that feature. They have that feature. Yeah, you guys know my mind, but they have that feature. They have that feature. Then you just it's feature for me. Then you just come here, undo it. This sign that look like greater than in a mathematics class, they thought was greater than less than. The one that looks like greater than, the one that looks like less than. Yeah. The one that looks like greater than is for you to undo. Then the one that looks like less than is for you to actually do. That means you actually did something, then you want to do it back. You want to do something, then you want to actually redo it back. You can also press that place. So that's all. And you're good to go.
You guys like, share, subscribe. And yes, a lot of people came to my other social media platforms. They were like, Smayo, I like the video, Smayo this, Smayo that. Please don't pick up. If you don't want like my video, please like it. If you want comment here. Any comment we don't pass here, I'm not calling that. I'm not even doing at all. I'm not doing any comments we don't pass it to comment. Me, I no comment on my social media page. Thank you. Please, please. Hey yo.